Hey y'all, welcome to this video. It's Blake. This week I'll be taking y'all through a week in my mini twist. This was the first week that I did my hair, so not much going on, but very realistic. And so I hope y'all enjoy this video and let's get into it. Hey y'all, welcome to this video. It's Blake. Today is Monday and I'm gonna be doing a week in my hair this week. I just finished these mini twists and while I was doing them, I thought they weren't gonna turn out good, but I ended up actually really liking how they turned out and I'm really excited to wear them. It's gonna be so easy. Oh my gosh, like as y'all can see, I just took my bonnet and scarf off and I'm ready. I love that feeling and it's been a while. And one thing I love even more about it is I didn't have to add any hair, or I didn't add any hair, so I don't have to worry about taking it out. And I don't know. It just makes it feel so much easier that I didn't add any hair and lighter. And so this week we're going to be just following along how my hair goes. So I'm wearing black right now, you can't really see, and it's also very, very early in the morning. The sun hasn't even come out. So I'll come back later today to show y'all how they look. And I probably won't do a hairstyle today, but just to show y'all how they look. And I'll probably put something on my scalp because I think I need something. But yeah, I'm just excited to get into these and see how they work for me, because I put these in because I am experiencing some like postpartum shedding, and I just wanted a hairstyle that was easy to, that I would be able to really maintain my hair, like keep it healthy, hydrate it, shampoo it, deep condition it very often without it taking a really long time. Because right now, like to do my hair, it takes like all week. So I just wanted something that would kind of reduce the time and the time every day, just like getting ready. So I think it'll be easy to, you know, get to my scalp and cleanse it, oil it, all of my hair just hydrated, and then doing hairstyles. And it's also really cute. So yeah, it's also winter time and I think it's good for that. Otherwise I probably would have straightened my hair, but I didn't want to do that because of the shedding and blow drying it and brushing it and straightening it. I thought that was too much manipulation. So yes, I'm really excited to get into this video. Yeah, these are my mini twists straight out of the scarf. I just got out of the shower and that's just how I showered. So yeah, I'll give y'all a better view when the sun comes out. But yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, here's what my hair looks like. Not doing much today, and I don't think I need to do anything to the end. So on Saturday when I finished it, I styled it out with some water, and then I put some mousse on the ends. So I haven't had to redo anything yet, and I don't think I'm going to today. Just kind of leaving it very casual, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I also kind of showed the final result in my last vlog when I finished my hair, so you probably saw it then too. This is what they look like in the light. Alright, so I'll see y'all later on today. Hey y'all, today's Tuesday. I did not come back yesterday. Today has been a chill day. It's 2:26 and my hair has just been in the scarf like this. I took the bonnet off, but we just been chilling at home. It's the last day before we go back home. I'm still at my mom's house, so. But I have something to do this evening and I'm about to get ready. I'm getting ready for that. So now it's finally time to get ready and do my hair and stuff. And last night or yesterday, I did want to put something on my scalp. So I'm about to do my hair a little bit today. Do a few things to it. So let's see. I've just been tying a scarf on it to, I don't know, keep it down. I felt there's like little pieces of hair coming out. Even a twist, hair comes out. Or I'm gonna put this on my scalp. It's a serum by Briogeo, Destined for Destiny, caffeine and biotin peptide density serum. And I used this when I was washing my hair and stuff, or styling up my hair. So I just wanted to add some more to it because it says, you know, you can use it every day and it's supposed to help with hair growth and stuff like that. Help support thicker looking hair. So we'll see if it does that. I'll use this whole bottle and see. I don't know. But just something to put on my scalp I think is helpful. I mentioned last week that I wanted to start just paying more attention to my hair again. And I think that would be very helpful considering, you know, I'm going to put some like on my hairline right here because it's where I experience some shedding. Yeah, I think it's a good time to start doing that considering my hair is, I'm going through like postpartum shedding. So I don't want to neglect it right now and then just kind of like not have any hair left, you know. So just dotting some all on my scalp. And this isn't like an oil or anything. It's just kind of feels like a water product. You just kind of work in kind of like something that's kind of watery. Okay, next I'm gonna do something to my ends. So I'm gonna go put some water on my ends real quick. I didn't do too much, just something to kind of dampen them a little bit. And I'm gonna put a little bit of foam on the ends. This is the mousse stuff. I don't have a lot of this left, so I'm not gonna go crazy. I don't know, something feels like off, so I'm just going to call it a day. It's nothing serious that I'm going to, so I don't know. I don't know if it's my hair or, I mean, I just put on like a little bit of makeup. I didn't do the full thing, so maybe that is off. But I'm just gonna go ahead and walk away. So I'll see y'all tonight, hopefully, if I'm not too tired. All right, y'all, I'm back. I opted for the ponytail. Scarf, rectangle scarf. Bonnet on top. Hey y'all, it is Wednesday morning. We're headed back home now, and I just took my hair out my scarf. I haven't done anything to it, but just wanted to check in, picking up some food, and yeah, we should be home pretty soon. So we made it back home a long time ago. The whole day has passed. I did some cleaning today and that was about it after driving. So I just had my hair kind of in a loose bun just to get it out of the way while I was doing stuff, but I will just be tying my hair up just the same. Actually, I'm just gonna put the bonnet on. I just want to try putting the bonnet on, no scarf, and I have my black one now that I'm back, and it's a little bit bigger, so hair is still going strong. My ends do, like, some hair strands do come out, so I will kind of like run my fingers through this tomorrow. Like, yeah, there's a strand of hair. Yeah, this is what it looks like midweek. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hi y'all, today is Thursday and today is a do nothing, absolutely nothing, big chill. It was a busy weekend and beginning of the week, and if I don't take today to rest, I won't be able to do anything like tomorrow and for Friday and this weekend. So as for my hair, I just take it out the bonnet, and I have the scrunchie on my wrist that I'll put in there sometimes. But yeah, the hair's fine, same old same. But if anything, you know, anything happens interesting, I'll let y'all know. But yeah, my hair will just be kind of like this, and in a little satin scrunchie. So yeah, that's all. See you when I see you. Hey y'all, it's Friday, and I wore my hair in a bun today. Of course, somehow I didn't show y'all, but it was very simple. Yes, the end of the day. So I'm just tying my hair up. But yeah, just gonna put my bonnet on, call it a night. Okay, so it's been a little over a month since I filmed this video, and I've had my mini twists in for over a month now, and I wanted to just kind of let y'all know how it's been going, because the week that I filmed this, nothing was really going on. They were new, so it wasn't much to do, and I was just enjoying them. So I just wanted to add a little bit more to the video. I feel like it was a little thin. Since I've had these in for over a month, I have really enjoyed them. I haven't done anything to my hair for a month. That wasn't my intention. I was going to like shampoo and condition my hair like every 2 weeks kind of thing, but I'm just not in the habit of doing that. I usually do my hair like once a month, so it's definitely time to do something to them. I have lots of new growth, but I think they still have held up really well, but I don't want my hair to lock up, so I should probably do something about it soon. But honestly, if it did, I wouldn't be upset about it. I really enjoyed that I haven't had to do much to my hair. It's very low maintenance, like easy to maintain. Most days it's kind of like a wake up and go kind of thing. But anytime that I am rehydrating it, anytime I wanted to do something to it, I would just spray with water, add some of that serum that I talked about onto my scalp, some oil on my scalp, and that was it. Anytime that I was doing like a hairstyle like today where I wanted it to kind of lay in a different way, I would do that, add some water and stuff. Other than that, I really haven't had to do anything. My hair didn't feel like dry or anything with, like, I just haven't had to do much. I really enjoyed the fact that I did not add any hair to my hair this time. I have always been hesitant of that because it's like, can you really, like, does it really feel, you know, like good enough, really? If I'm being honest, like, is it good enough without adding any hair? And yes, it is. I like it much better. It's much lighter. It was less effort to put it in, and it'll be a little bit less effort to take it out, and it was less money. I didn't have to spend any money on this hairstyle. I was just able to put my hair in a hairstyle. So mini twists will definitely be a staple in my routine, or like in my hair styling now. I probably wouldn't do them this small. I'll probably, well, that's not true. That's not true. I actually really like the size of them. So I'm thinking I'm going to do like a full maintenance on them and retwist my hair, shampoo it, condition it, and just like retwist everything and wear it for like another month or so. I don't know. Otherwise, I would really want to straighten my hair, but I don't know if that's the right season. So I don't know. We'll see what I want to do with my hair. I also would love to do like a perm set, so maybe I'll probably do that. This hairstyle was so simple to do and easy to maintain that there was nothing that really happened over the course of the month. Every week was pretty much like this first week that I showed y'all, and so I really enjoyed that. It was exactly what I was wanting and needing out of a hairstyle. Just forget it. Yeah, even with it being really old, I've been able to kind of make something out of it. And oh yeah, I'm happy to report my edges have grown back. If you have been hesitant to try them or really get into them like I have always been, I've done them a few times in the past, but never really considered it as a real contender in my hairstyling, like my hairstyle rotation. I highly recommend trying them. Definitely doing them smaller, like if you want more of a fuller look, doing them smaller might take a little bit longer, but not too long. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.